Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Techies. Today I'm going to unbox and review Ambrane Glares R Smart glasses. These are the rounded ones which I bought from Flipkart for around 1999. So let's quickly check what are on the box. So you can see it has Bluetooth 5.1 and HD stereo speaker, and so there is a soft touch smart touch sensor on the glass itself. We can activate voice assistant, we can have calls, and there might be some glasses which are UV protected. And yeah, let's unbox it. We can see some cards with QR on it. Let's see, maybe it's warranty related. And here is the box, and apart from that, I think this is the charging cable, and here is the cloth to rub the glasses. So let's quickly see first the charger. So this is the charger. This is a magnetic charger, and yeah, I think there are two magnetic chargers, and there is one USB port at the end. Now let's see the glass itself. And before opening the glasses, I think you can see these are some white color glasses. And now the glasses itself. Yeah, if you didn't hear or not, I think before I just opened, there is a sound called power on. Let's see. Yeah, you can see when I close the specs, it automatically says power off. I think this is some technology they have where you don't need to press any button to turn the smart glasses on. For turning the Bluetooth on, it will automatically turn on and off when you open and close them. So if you see, if I open them, yeah, you can see there is from right side you are getting the sound. So let's quickly see how the glasses are. So my initial impressions are these are lightweight. You can see this is the bulky part. So let me show you overview. So this is the right side, and this is the one of the magnetic charger. These are the speakers, and you can see there is some, I guess, microphone, and this is how it looks. And this is how the round shaped glass looks like. For now the color is like mix of some gray and white color. It's like some polarized color. And on the right side here also is the same. It's I think it's mic. It's again, this is magnetic charger, and there are speakers. Yeah, so let me quickly use them for a while, and I will update you how the fit is, how the mic is working, and how it actually looks on my head. Yeah, so stay tuned.